Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I will be preparing Sophia Loren's Pasta with Eggplant from her cookbook, In the Kitchen with Love. I have water boiling on the stove to put my pasta in. I'll be using rotini pasta, but you could use whatever pasta you like. So now I'll be putting it in the boiling water and cooking this for 10 minutes. While my pasta was cooking, I've been dicing up my eggplant. And here's all the eggplant that's been diced up. Now I'll be adding a few tablespoons of the olive oil into my frying pan. It'll be on medium heat. The oil is heated up, so now I'll be putting my diced eggplant in. Now we want to cook this until the eggplant is nice and tender. I cooked this 10 minutes and now the eggplant is all done. I put the fried eggplants onto a paper bag so they drain well. I'm going to set the eggplant aside. And now I'm going to make the sauce. Now to make this sauce, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to let it heat up a little bit. Now I'm adding 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper, ground pepper. And I'm adding some bay leaves that I had frozen in the freezer. It keeps them nice and fresh. You could smell the nice aroma of the basil and the garlic. I'm going to be adding the olive oil, the garlic, and the basil to my pasta. This delicious sauce to the pasta. And now I'll mix it all together. And that's how easy it is. This is a very simple, quick recipe to make. The last thing I'll be adding now is my eggplant. And mixing it all up. And that's the eggplant and pasta recipe. Now before you have this meal, you have to add some grated Parmesan cheese on top. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Delicious, Ma. The eggplant really tastes nice. The pasta's just right. Parmesan cheese on here. Gives it a nice flavor. You did an excellent job, Ma.
Thank you, Pa. And what else do you taste in there?
The olive oil.
And what else?
The garlic.
And there's something else in there that should be very flavorful.
I got the garlic, I got the Parmesan cheese, I got the eggplant. We put a little bit of pepper in there.
What did you forget?
What I smell is the basil.
It took you long enough. It doesn't have any basil flavor?
Yeah, there's a little basil leaf right there. This is a great meal to have without the red sauce, and I will definitely have this again.